So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in this video I will be giving you guys a very quick update about the message that Elaine Thomson Herah has for our fans that are worried about her, those athletic fans that are so worried about her injury. She finally drops a message for them. Now before I give you guys the message Elaine Thomson Herah has, in case this happens to be your first time on the YouTube channel, what you do me is do me a favor to like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. So Elaine Thomson Herah will remember clearly that she was being injured on her last race at the NYC Grand Prix, which is the USATF New York Grand Prix, where she was being defeated by a female Nigerian athlete. And now she has a message for those people who are worried. She broke silence and finally said something about her current situation. And what I will be doing particularly in this video is sharing every single detail that Elaine Thomson Herah shared with her fans. So Elaine Thomson Herah went on saying, "Chin up, you will be okay." And she put "our God." Now what this means is, she said, cheer up, I will be okay. Yes, she is saying this to herself, that she will be fine. She is going to surprise a lot of people that are writing her off currently, that are saying that she doesn't even have a chance at the Jamaican national trials. She doesn't even have a chance at the Paris Olympic. She is trying to send a message to people that are already happy that her season, the Paris Olympic season for Elaine Thomson Herah, is finally coming to an end. Yes, that is the message Elaine has for people that are doubting her ability and her greatness to do good things at the Paris Olympic and to also perform at the Jamaican national trials. She said she is going to be fine, and I feel like the message is clear and very loud. Now I want to ask you a question watching this video. Do you believe she has a chance at the Paris?